everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and I just got home from vacation. I was on a cruise for 2 weeks. Well, actually, we visited my parents in California for a week. My mom, anyway. My father passed away, and then we went on a cruise for a week. So we just got back. Brooklyn is so happy to see us back. She was with her my mother-in-law, so she was being babysat, and she's so happy. But needless to say, when I got home, I had packages, and some of these packages I knew were coming, and I felt really bad that I couldn't do a review of them before I left because they didn't come until after I had already left. So sorry for getting this out so late, but I received this. It's a company called Groom right here. This is the cute box they sent it in, by the way. This is so cute. I already opened it there, but this box is so adorable. It's when you open it up, it's like this, and then you open it up. I mean, it's really pretty. I think it looks like you can unfold this whole box and it makes something, but I'll look into that. But I didn't want to do it because I'm thinking I'm going to keep this box. But in the box were these pet grooming gloves. Yes, these I will definitely get some use out of. So let's check them out, shall we? I actually received 2 boxes, so of the exact same thing. They sent me 2 of the exact same thing. I don't know if that was an accident or if they just did it to be nice. I'm not sure. And Brooklyn's eating my box that I want to keep. Yep, she already got to it. I don't know if you could see that. Oh boy. Anyway, so they did send me 2 boxes, so I'm probably going to have a giveaway in this video for one of these once we check it out. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the company first. Brooklyn is so curious. Wait till she sees what's next. She's getting a bath. All right. So they, I'm reading on my iPad what they say. They are an HICC Groom. Must be the name of their company. HICC Groom. The H means health. The I means innovation. The C means clean. And the other C means comfortable. Okay, so it's HICC together is the abbreviation of health, innovation for a clean and comfortable life. And it's called HICC with the meaning of hello, clean and comfortable life. Okay, so I told you what it says in the email for me to basically make sure I get to my customers, not my customers, my viewers, so they know what the company stands for. So I'm going to pull up their website as well. And I should have pulled them up already. So let's see. Right here. Okay, I found it. So when you pull up their website, it looks like this. These little pads here, the gloves are for dogs or cats, by the way. Thought I should let you know that. And they have anti-itch pet white gloves for cat or dog. I think that's what I got. And says choose your pet grooming items. I'm just looking at this, so it's supposed to be really good for your pet skin. Safety comes first. Pet wellness is our mission. Skin friendly technology. I'm just like scanning this. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to watch this little video together. It is a YouTube video that they made. This is not my YouTube video. It is theirs. So let's see what they say about the product. Make sure my volume's up. Hope I can do this legally. I mean, I'm doing it for the company, so I don't see why not. But let's go ahead and see what they have to say.
This revolutionary new device can remove up to 10 times more earwax than a traditional cotton swab.
Okay.
HICC Groom Pet Grooming Gloves 2-in-1 package separates the HCLO solution and the glove wipes. It ensures the hypochlorous molecular remains active. Squeeze to push the solution through the middle tunnel. Soak the dry glove wipes for 30 seconds. Tear the package and take out the gloves. Wear gloves and wipe. Totally safe to use on or around the skin, eye, nose, ear, and mouth. Flip to use opposite side. Non-toxic, non-irritating, non-residue, rinse-free and air-dry. Safe if licked or ingested. Dispose after use. Safe for all cats and dogs in all ages. HICC Groom.
Okay, so that is their website. That is their YouTube video. Now, let's get back to mine. So, after we just saw those directions, I am trying to see, because it said something about getting the gloves. This is what I was trying to figure out before, how to get the gloves wet. Okay. So, you guys are probably all telling me how to do it, you know, where you are, while I'm sitting here trying to read the directions. It said something about, like, because there's what is that? Something right here that's making it so I can't just shove the gloves into this section. It's like perforated. So, trying to figure that out. I definitely want to do this correctly. Maybe if I can just, I'm not sure. I will have to, I think I'm going to put you on pause really quick, check this out and come right back because I don't want to waste anyone's time. So let me see if I can get this going and I will tell you how I did it. Be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So all you had to do was squeeze this part, and as shown in the video that you guys saw, there's a middle opening right here, I guess, and you just squeeze it. And for a little bit, I was like squeezing it really lightly and it wasn't doing anything. So you really have to like give it a squeeze and then it all goes down in here. Okay, so let me go ahead and get the gloves out and see what Brooklyn thinks. Brooklyn, you're gonna be so happy. This will be her second bath today. She got home, you know, yesterday when we got home from vacation. She was all excited, and I'm looking for my scissors. She was all excited and ended up actually pooping in her cage. I hate calling her a cage, a big giant kennel it is that she sleeps in. So, poor thing, was so like upset and confused, and there's my scissors. But she's okay now. But she got a bath already, and now we're going to give her the opportunity to have another one. Aren't we, Brooklyn? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. How fun is this? Okay, so let me go ahead and make sure I get it open all the way. Bella, don't you dare. Bella looks like she's gonna be out there barking. I don't see anyone coming to our door, so I don't know what she thinks she's doing. Bella's my bigger dog. And then once the bigger dog gets going, the smaller dog gets going too. Okay, so these are very wet. This is what they look like. They're very big and very wet. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hand in here. That, and I'm going to put my other hand in the other one. Imagine that. They are dripping on the carpet. Now, as for scent, I am smelling a little bit of something, but they do say they are unscented, I believe I saw. So let me see, what am I smelling? Just, it smells clean. So now let's see what Brooklyn thinks. Oh, what do you think, Brooklyn? It's always hard getting her face, like, you know, in the bath or whatever. I don't want to get water in her ears, but, you know, you got to keep the, I'm trying. You got to keep the under eyes clean here on a, you know, especially on these little dogs. And that's the hardest part for me to get clean. So let's see. I don't want to hurt her, but let's see if I can wipe that a little bit. Another bath, Brooklyn. Here, I'll point the phone down a little bit. There she is. How do you like that? Well, it smells nice. I mean, like there's really no scent, but it is nice. They are wet. Dog doesn't seem to mind. So here she is, loving it. What do you think, Brooklyn? What do you think? Huh? You like that? Is that nice? It actually looks like she's enjoying this a lot better than the bath that she had this morning. So, yeah, I think this is really nice for her. And I think that this is, you know, I think this is great, actually. What do you think? Do you think this is great? It's too good to be true. These are nice, you guys. I have to say these are really nice. It doesn't look to be bothering her at all. She looks very happy and content. Look at the camera. Look at, there you go. Good girl. Good girl. All right. So I'm going to put her down. And I'm just going to take the gloves off right now. She is a small dog. So I don't really need to do, you know, to flip them over and use the other side. I'm wet. I mean, my pants got so wet down here. That's how wet they were. It actually got a little bit on the couch too. So I'm hoping that will just come out. I don't think there's anything in here that will stain. So let me go ahead and put that down here. And in the box with those wipes came a little Christmas thing for the dog. So let's see. It's like a little scarf. Let's see if I can put it on her. A little scarf. Brooklyn, you like your scarf? Let's see. She's a small dog, so she's... Come here. No, I can get it. She's like, no, no, no. Whenever I try to put clothes on her, she's like, no. But a little hat and a little scarf. Let me see if I can get her. It's so cute. Come here, Brooklyn. Hold on just a moment. Okay, so this is as good as it's going to get. It's very loose on her because, like I said, she's a very, you know, she's a Yorkie. So, very tiny dog. But it is so cute. She won't let me put the scarf on. That's not going very well. But she's not happy. She does not like when I put clothes on her. She hates it. And I love to put clothes on her. I even ordered some from a different company. That's, I'm not going to say in this video, of course. But that is so cute. This is so, so cute. It is so useful. So I'm going to do a giveaway. The box is pretty heavy, so I'm not going to be sending the whole box. But if you have a pet, either a cat or a dog, and would like to try one of these, I would love to just go ahead and send you one. One side has a cat. I didn't even notice that. The other side has a dog. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. That's the only way you're going to win one of my giveaways ever. So make sure you are publicly subscribed to me. Also, please give this video a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you can, leave a comment down below. That really helps my channel to grow. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a great, great, great day. Bye.